Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Gather the updated API GH and KH test kit and a clean 5 ml vial. Work over a towel to catch spills and avoid contamination. Rinse the vial with aquarium water once before testing. Keep bottles capped until ready and shake gently if the bottle instructions require it. Do not touch the vial rim or cap interior with hands. Record the aquarium name and time on a sheet before you begin testing. Fill the vial to the 5 ml mark with aquarium water. Add 5 initial drops of GH reagent and cap the vial gently. Invert the vial and mix for 10 seconds after each addition. Continue adding 1 drop at a time and mix until the color changes. Count only the 1 drops after the first 5 to record DGH. Convert DGH to ppm by multiplying by 17.9 when you need a ppm value for comparison. For KH, again use a 5 ml sample and start with 5 initial drops of KH reagent. Cap and invert the vial to mix after the 5 drops. Add 1 drop at a time and mix until the color shifts clearly to the endpoint color. Count only the single drops after the initial 5 to determine DKH. If KH is below your target, raise it using a commercial carbonate buffer and follow the product dosing instructions exactly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.